In a previous tutorial on version control, we demonstrated how you can make changes to an existing form, test those changes without affecting the currently used version, and then publish the changes to replace the current version. We did point out, however, that these changes would only apply to new instances created after the change was published. In many cases, this will be just fine, but there may be cases where you need to apply those changes to instances that have already been created. In this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate how that can be done. Let's use the same form that we did in the previous tutorial. Note that the latest version of the form is version 2. But if we drill down to one of the instances, we can see that it was created in version 1. And if we open the instance, we will see that the change, which was an additional comments box, has not been applied. To apply the changes to these instances created in an earlier version, we need to use the Map Versions feature. You can make specific choices for each version of the form, but more often than not, the option to set all to latest will be a good choice. Do note that you can always clear the mapping later if necessary. If we reopen the instance, we should now see that the change has been applied. In this demonstration, the change we made was relatively minor, but care should be taken with more complex changes to ensure that you don't add in logic that can have a detrimental effect on existing instances if they are mapped to a different version.